and we've come to inform you about the most powerful storm of 2022, Hurricane Ian. It will hit us in a few hours. I would say 6, maybe 10, in that range. And we're gonna we'll send you over to Karen Brittany Davis. I am Ron Burgundy, and this wind is crazy.
Oh my gosh, are we on? Is my hair okay?
Yes. So it is probably 20 miles per hour out here. It is crazy. How do you feel? I'm with Karen Brittany Davis, by the way. How do you feel about the storm?
Well, I think that the storm is blowing me crazy.
How long do you think kids are going to stay out of school?
Probably a year,
A year?
maybe 2.
Do you think there will be any massive damage anywhere?
Maybe at my house.
This just in from Karen Brittany Davis.
We're here at the scene.